I completely forgot that my microphone was messed up. Yeah. Hi, Nigel. So, as I say, I'm not quite sure what to do today. Duplicate. Can I take the first element of the array? BQN. What's BQN? We will. What is BQN? I feel like okay, this looks familiar. Really familiar. Anyway, I thought actually about FQBN or wait, no, FQBN is fully qualified board name in Arduino IDE and other stuff like that. I thought about BNF or something that's like a grammar thingy. Anyway, so yeah, I tried to. I mean, I wanted to try to experiment with the Wee bit more, but I'm not quite sure what we're gonna end up doing. Select peak, rotate, keep, find mask, reduce faults, scan each row's inventory. How do I get the first item out of the array or something like that? What's the shape? Oh, that's interesting. Fix. Code an array as bits, least significant bit first. Sort, fall, rise. Can I get the first thing? Take, hold on. Take the first 10 rows of the array. Rotate, orient, find, keep. Mask, member of, index of. I need to get or something like that. I guess let's take no. So tutorial documentation. What's this?
Welcome to a Code Report Solution video, a comparison video of my 3 favorite languages, BQN, Weewa, and...
3 favorite languages. And this is what they are. They're just characters. It's not even characters, random symbols. Those have at least a little bit of familiar symbols, but Wee is just slashes and
APL. And in today's video, we're going to be implementing the formula for standard deviation in each of these languages a couple different ways, at least in BQN and Weewa. And the reason that we are implementing standard deviation is because as I've been working my way through the Strange Loop 2023 videos, at least the ones that are of interest to me, I recently watched a long Strange Loop by Alex Miller, as you can see in the middle of the screen. And Alex Miller, if you don't know, is the creator and main organizer of the Strange Loop conference, which had its last edition this year. And because I watched this talk, I got recommended the following talk from a virtual conference just under 1 year ago, depending on when you're watching this. It took place in December of 2022. And this video...
Actually 2 years ago.
Was good, as well as the last one, but the best video of the 3 videos that I watched that led me to making this YouTube video was recommended in the top or lower right-hand corner of the screen, which is a video by James Gosling, infamously the creator of the Java language.
Just watching YouTube person, opening YouTube and all of that on stream.
And it was entitled Thoughts on Language Evolution. I absolutely love programming language talks, especially ones that talk about, what makes a language successful or not. And James definitely touches on that in his talk. And at one point, he's talking about the familiarity or readability in terms of, introducing novel things that people might find surprising. And of course, he ends up mentioning my favorite language, APL, and he specifically has a line of APL code that is calculating the standard deviation of an array X. And I was a little bit surprised on this piece of code. It was probably copy and pasted from some paper that was, implemented in the 70s or 80s before they had trains. And I'm a little bit surprised by the fact that there are assignments to local variables that are only used once. Typically, when you assign to a local mid-expression, it's because you need to reuse that local. However, the first thing I did was go and type this expression into the remote IDE RIDE, which is powered by Dialog APL at the back end, and proceeded to check if it was right and then refactor it to a point-free expression, which is what I'm going to walk you through now. So this is the exact expression from James Gosling's presentation, except for the fact that I've renamed the function SD from SD to SDEV, which stands for standard deviation, a little less ambiguous. The first thing we need to do, though, is change all of our x's to omegas and put this in braces in order to make it a function, because previously it's just an expression that relies on there being an array x here, and I don't have an array x. I want to make this a function. The next thing we're going to do is get rid of these locals. So I assume T stands for total because we're summing up the elements in our array omega, and then we are assigning the next thing to AV, which I assume stands for average because we're dividing that sum by the number of elements in our array. We don't need to do this, as I mentioned before, because we're not making any references to T or AV. I'm not sure if this is a readability thing. I'm not sure what APL experts would say about this code, but I don't like it. Let's get rid of the T, and then let's get rid of the AV. And now at this point, this might be your preferred definition of standard deviation in APL. And I should note, there are multiple definitions of different standard deviations. There's sample standard deviation, there's student T, etc., etc. We're just using the one that came from James Gosling's, which does not,
Only I understood anything of that. I mean, I kinda get it. Some of the... Why is slash here? No idea. Some... I guess slash applies a function... Well, it's like fold stuff. Still, I'm probably not gonna watch this all the way through. Comparing... Standard... I honestly, I don't know what standard deviation is. It's like a graph like that. Come on, you said like a few times to me to change my mind when I was reading Weibo, which is pronounced as Weibo. I think I was looking for pronunciation on this page. It was somewhere, I couldn't find it again. Oh, here it is. Weibo. I mean, it is Weibo. What's this? Oh, it's... Okay, not quite what I said. Some squares of difference between items and of the set and the average of the set. Still not quite get it what it is. Okay, so there are like a bunch of different pronunciations. Okay. Weiwa. I still say it Weiwa. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I would think okay, enough of that. We've got our own TTS by read chat and stuff. I don't know why, honestly. I don't know how I got them to scream. I didn't even know this button worked. Anyway, what's this experimental? Or is experimental anyway. Duplicate over pop on by with off above below backwards, that's stack, dyadic, monadic, every pair of elements into arrays, every element in an array. I don't know what it is. Monadic array. Operate in a single array. Length, shape, range first. Here. I need to get first. So if I do this, I should just display an image. Okay, so I could actually do this when I was doing it for the overlay, so that you could properly type expressions and it would just work. But no, now instead, oh my god, why did they do it in such an inconvenient place? Instead now you have to do this. Oh wait, no, this doesn't work. Oh wait, Docker bro. Oh my god, never mind. I didn't rebuild the image. Hold on. Let me just do that. So in the, I don't know where, what commands whatever. Yes, I was using Kitty. By the way, I wanted to try Western again, because last time I tried it, it did not work. Nix run, and yeah, it's just in Nix packages. Western. Since I updated a lot of stuff, it might work this time. Because people are saying this is one of the best terminals, and I did not mean to paste. Build.t Twitch Linux. Yeah, that's what I had. Hold on. Here. That's what I had. I don't know why. ls. I mean, it works, but you can't really tell what's happening here. And that's in Nix, which is weird. And it's not outputting anything. Starts GUI. SSH serial. Wow, it's interesting. Connect Western multiplexer. LS fonts. Let's do LS fonts. Fonts. Title font built-in. Fallback built-in. Roboto Bolt. Okay, primary font fallback. Great. While the Twitch Linux builds. I'm normally using Tmax. Tmax, you can see I have configured it using Ted Puchin and Typewriter, I think it's YouTube channel is called Typewriter's Guide, or I'm not quite sure actually. It would be embarrassing if I did not get it right. It's probably not Typewriter actually. I mean, yeah, I know what Typewriter is. YouTube channel. It works except you directly interacts with the server. They use SSH extension VS Code. Okay, I can't quite. It's probably not Typewriter. Let's see Linux channels. Oh my god. I actually don't know. Anyway, I guess we'll never know. Why is Windows deprecated? Anyway, it built now. I should be able to just... What is this? Hold on. What is this character? This is an arrow. Why do I have an arrow in my clipboard? So yeah, I had to do imshow. We have to do function IMS in order to do stuff. Anyway. So I wanted to experiment with this a little. Yeah, I could iterate over all of the items in the array and try to show it. This could be useful. Anyway, run. What is this? This is just two arrays of numbers. Then I guess we do pairs or something. Both. Call function on two sets of values. Divide by 25. Get the sign of a number. Make an array Full natural numbers less than a number. That's how you say range. Add values table. Apply a function to each combination of rows of some array. Okay. So let's do table of those two arrays. This is a modifier. I don't know. Sum plus. Let's see. Okay, we do have that. We can transpose. Wow, this coloring. Okay, transpose rotates it, but transposes it, I guess. So we have all the numbers. Now let's also do. So this is a function that's gonna add those numbers, and then it's gonna. What do I do? Well, not transpose. I wanted to range 3. Like, put an arrow, but I don't have that key on my keyboard. Okay, somehow we got two things. I don't know why. Like, actually, what is it? Actually, why do I get two images? Range 3. Well, actually, I get. Okay, I think I get 4 values. Let's do pop first, then I do an range table with one argument, it's just rows. I don't think I need rows. Yeah, I don't think I need rows. I think I need table. Pop two values. Okay, and now I do a range of 3. Red, green, blue. Well, actually, can I do 0, 1, 0? So this should be green. Okay, yeah, this works. So now that's a basic definition of an image. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Also, this is Y, this is X. Yeah, I should probably transpose them. And can I... how do I... So I need to put 2 last items on the stack into an array. Can I do 2 pops here? And red and green. Okay, tables are just rows. Monadic array. Bits. Transpose, fix, length, shape, range, first, last. A unique box. Base, we know. Okay, can you just get last item? And the second to last. Well, let's just duplicate. I need those values. Well, I'm not quite sure if I do, honestly. Let's take manipulation. Scar deep. How do you construct an array? Dyadic array. Operate on 2 arrays. Where? Box. Turn an array into a box. I wonder what a box is. It's a primary way to create nested or mixed type arrays. So rows have the same shape and type. It'll help you with the shape part, but not. It can't help with the type part, I guess. Okay, I get it, but that's not what I need. I need to put stuff into an array. How do I do that? Constants. Backward. Okay, every element. That's not what I need. So I need to somehow construct an array. Or like append, I don't know. Map. Encoding miscellaneous. Parse try cases at random gen. Regex. You know, maybe, you know, generate unique tag. Check the type now. Get the current time, the time zone, FFT. Run the fast Fourier transform. That's cool. Find the shortest path in a graph. Okay, that's interesting. Between two strings. Derivative and integral representation. System standard I use, system environment, internal side, well. System streams. System commands. System media. Show, audio play, GIF show. TCP, miscellaneous, FFI. Foreign function. Why would you have FFI in a language like this, honestly? Like, you're probably not gonna write some insane stuff here. I don't even know how to construct an array. And people like say, you don't. I need to construct an array of two things. We will construct array. Did Rust Lua FFI today by compiling Rust to C and calling it from Lua. I think there's a crate actually in Rust. That's pretty nice. So that's not what I need. I need to push to an array. We will append to array. I mean, you could do it on your own, but instead you choose to compile Rust to C. Pixeline, or whatever pronunciation. Again. APL, Apple. Oops, how do I do this? Wait, what? Hold on. Wait, I can just zoom stuff. How do I add to an array? Whoosh. Rust to CFFI. Assembly, what? Okay, so I don't see any way to append to an array. And array, I don't know, fix, encode, transpose, sort, rise, whatever. Where? Let's find it, duplicate. Much, couple. join, select, Rust x86 64 but use CFFI. Okay. Append to erase end to end, select, pick, reshape, take, drop, rotate, orient, mask. I don't see anything. I need to append to an array, come on. That's so simple. I don't know. How do you construct an array? But this sounds like beginner stuff to me since I work on Oracle. You mean like Rust to x86 64, CFI, etc. I mean, it sounds, well, relatively simple, I guess. And we did just delete everything we wrote. I probably need to, I don't know, figure out standard notation, stack notation. Actually, well, no, I don't know. Oh, well, can I just, can I range, let's do 128, range 128, let's T range, transpose that, table. I kind of like that I can write everything like together compactly. 1 0 0. Can I leap poop run? Okay, that's not what I expected. I guess I could just pop then twice. By 3 by 128. I wonder why. The transpose did not work like I expected it to work, I guess. Okay, this is red. Good. Now if I move this here, add flips here. Okay, this is red. I wanna transpose though. It is the shape. How do you reshape? I know there's something to reshape shape. Oh, that's actually cool, you know. I could do this instead. A128 by 128. This looks interesting. And yeah, and they don't need the table. I can just each. I could just do each. I want to apply this function. Oh wait, I don't need to. Do I need to pop stuff? I guess I'm gonna go back to ranges. And then, okay, 128 by 128. Let's do that. Now, I wanna try do that. Here, what? Stack was empty when getting argument 3. Okay. Side breaks will pull in their arguments from outside if there are not enough. Okay, yeah, right, exactly. So if I just do dot, or I don't know, flip twice, what would it output? I wonder. White. And then divide by 128, I don't know. Let's reduce. How to divide? I know the divides. Percentage sign, okay, I hate this. I actually don't like this sign. Okay, this feels about right. Oh my god, it did. You know what it did? It did like I have two variables, not red, green, blue, 3 values, not gray, 1 value. I got 2 values, which is gray and alpha. This feels interesting, at least, to say the least. Okay, let me do that then. Okay, so red, then comes Y is green, X is blue. Okay, that's not really cool. But I can just reverse. And that's because I'm not skilled enough. And then I can what? Then I can add a red to it. 0. Well, actually no, I need to do blue. I want to do blue. How do I append? I think there was append or something. No? Append, no append? Okay, where's jump to functions? Okay, here I need append. Join. Or scholar school. Oh, okay. So instead of append, I do join. And okay, this X is red, Y is green. Okay, that's better. Now, what do we want to do actually? That's basically a shader. It's a basic shader. Could send it. Okay, here. Now, any suggestion? Anything you would suggest me doing in Weevil? Because right now I'm not sure. Also oh, that's just new lines. Okay, you just increase the dimensions and it didn't even increase properly because you didn't modify this number. You are still dividing by 128. Okay, that's better. I guess. And then it just goes full on whatever 4K. I actually wonder how much can I do. Is this 2 to whatever 14s? Okay, I guessed both and the number and the power. Wow, that was interesting. 10 divided by 256. Here it is. Would be too large. Okay, you don't like that. 4K then. That's 4K resolution. Look at that. I can actually do res, you know. Maximum execution time exceeded. Okay, can I think I have better execution time here. Oh wait, I must. Well, actually no, I do have a limit, and I think it did get to the limit. Can I do size B? I don't. Where's the arrow? Hold on. Here's this. Oh, it's just an equal sign. Well, let's do 124 size. Well, for C or Rust, it would probably be easy to do this. Okay, 512 maybe at least. You know, I did not know we were at the peak. Oh my god, it is actually bad. Can't even do 512 by 512. Okay, it can do 256 though. That's interesting. Can mine do 512? I think it was limited to... oh wait, it is not gonna work this way. Well, actually, I wonder if semicolon probably doesn't work. I'm still gonna try though. Yeah, recursive function size, because it's not a recursive function. How do you do a local binding, private binding? Say to this 512. Okay, I don't know how to do proper bindings. Module. You don't want to experiment with it. Hold on. Can you go back? Oh my god. I want to see what module is. Okay, did open a new page, new tab. Mod. Okay, that's... Okay, so you do 3 dashes. Module. But you do need new lines for that. We don't have new lines. We have only semicolons. Character. It's like... Yes, okay, and now look at the chat and think, what is it? What is wrong with chat? Random characters. Well, those are not really random, but still. Well, actually, you know how I could do that? So have size, then I duplicate it, I arrange it, then I swap it, duplicate it, arrange it. So the size is now... No, swap it again, size is on top. Okay, I don't think I can do it this way. I mean, I don't really want to. I mean, I could duplicate it like a lot of times, put it in the arrays, but still, nah, not really. The biggest number. Okay. What do we do? What else? Did I spell that correctly? Wow. Didn't expect that. Oh, and obviously it did not like the execution time. Yeah, that's just fate. So I guess, yeah, that's a pretty basic shader. Anything more complex we could do there? We could do here. I wonder if we can do a basic neural network. I have coded a neural network once in my life, and I mean without any helper libraries like TensorFlow or stuff, just a basic perceptron, and I have no idea how to test it there. But I guess we could Google, since it's an array language. Ooh. 3 we will. Well, we will, whatever. Emacs mode, advent of code solutions in Rust, Vue, Python, APL, Haskell, Nix, excuse me, no, and Ruby. Okay, Vue neural network interface. I don't really know if this is the right Vue. Okay, it is the right Vue. That is interesting, and oh my god, this line is short actually. It includes weights. Include weights, AV, use AV. ABV, use ABV, what's use? I don't have it actually. I coded it on the other laptop where when GitHub was not a thing for me, when I did not know GitHub existed. What's use? Come on, can you tell me? I don't know about use. It's like, it's a very simple perceptron implementation in Python, nothing like interesting. It was just guessing numbers. Use TV, what's use? E equals use. Can you give me documentation? Use. There's no use. Git add a.exe. Exactly. I mean, some of my GitHub repos actually have probably examples of that. Okay, if we go to this, if we go to repositories, and I don't mean archive, I mean just, I guess, go here, and a few more tabs. By the way, how many repos do I have? 63. One more until an anniversary, guys. 2 to the power of 6. So yeah, if we do Minecraft, yeah, I was like Minecraft-C++. To upload it on GitHub on December 2021. I don't know why I uploaded it on December 2021. I guess I just created a GitHub account. I think I even made it before that. And it was stored on my Google Drive as a zip archive. You can see DLLs here, oh my god. You can see DLLs, res files, that's Minecraft.exe, dev C++ project. There isn't even a video on YouTube about that, but it's in Russian and it's terrible quality. I don't know if you should watch it or not. Yeah, it's called C because I inputted Minecraft C++. GitHub was like, no, I'm gonna replace pluses by dashes because plus is not a valid character in the repository name. And that's where we are now. Oh, wow. Yeah, this was fun. So yeah, this was December 30, 2021. There's also The World is Falling was uploaded there, which is interesting. And my first two games are not even separate repositories. I know for sure they are on GitHub because there is an interesting repo archive. There's a lot of stuff archived. This thing. Who remembers this thing? This is like old when Orco was not called Orco back then. It was ORCC. And this was January 27. Oh, that's me updating the description that it was migrated to a monorepo. Here's archive. The codebase is Java. You can see JavaScript here. Okay, I wonder what that is. And the repository is being indexed. C++, C, HTML, and Makefile. Interesting. Obviously, most of it is Java because I like Java back then. NetBeans projects. That's just, I don't even know what this is. And you have a jar here, obviously. Should I download it and run it? Will it even run? I should probably try that, actually. I could probably try just downloading a random executable from the internet and running it, imagine that. So I should probably empty the trash, and you see workouts here. That's me copying the directory to draw a fire icon. Where are my downloads? Why are my downloads not here? I'll link here. Downloads. Wait, what? Can I just add it to places? I don't know why. I don't know how. Okay, I guess we'll do without it. Oh, Java. Do I have Java? Jar, eel. I don't even know why I have Java. Could not find or load main class caused by Java class and phone extension exception. Add the two places for okay, it was actually there. I remember something like that here. Okay, downloads go up even more, even higher. Okay, home go down. Come on, I can't swap home with downloads. Okay, now fine. So why do you not see the class? Build classes. This thing. This is class, huh? What do you mean could not find or load main class when it exists? I remember this error was familiar to me. Class name. Well, this class name is valid, which is I don't know why it's not. Build classes. This thing. Dot class. This exists. Excuse me. What's src? Oh no! Don't say you have the Java file here. Why is it 87 bytes? Oh, do I have a class at the end? Still doesn't work. I wonder what this is. If it's well, original size 116 bytes. It's not much. It's probably just an empty thing. Oh my god! Is this? I think this is actually an empty NetBeans project, just packaged as a jar. Okay, let's find the one that actually has something. Because I know there was a version of this project that had something. Emulate. What's emulator? I wonder what this is. Emulator and executor. That's interesting. But I think I might know what it is. Okay, I don't know what it is. What is this? I guess it was meant to be an emulator of something. Well, makes sense. Exactly. Anyway, oh wow, this is like I know what it is. I don't think I can tell. You know what LFR is? LFR we say it LFR. LFR we say it stands for line following robot. And you know why it's called cheats? Yes, something like that, but not quite. We had it more advanced, and this is also not advanced enough. Well, this actually has a PCB anyway. That has a story behind it as well. And yeah, wow. I was like going to try to compute best coefficient values for the regulator for that robot. inputting like whatever those values are, distance between wheels, distance wheel diameter, I don't know, line offset, line sensor count, I don't know what this is. That's like, I guess, a multiplier. That's an algorithm. Why do you have FSM here? It's insane. Main FNC. Oh my god. Yeah, that's fun. Compilers and interpreters. You know what this is? What made me? That's not the right question. Who made me start using Rust? Okay, so yeah, we have some projects here which are all basically compilers, and one of them was actually pretty good one. I don't know why this one. Was it? Did I actually get it to compile? Okay, I think I actually got one of them. You know the answer? No, that's not the answer. You know how I discovered QVMan? Is I was doing a game jam in Rust. Or actually, maybe not. Well, yeah, in Rust. I was doing a game jam in Rust, and I was like searching. I was doing GMTK game jam, and I was like on Twitch. I did not want to stream back then, there. And then I like, okay, who is also doing GMTK? QVMan. I watched his stream for like a few hours, and I was like, okay, this was fun. I'm gonna follow. And then my like Twitch viewer career, I don't know, and streamer as well started. Then whom? Well, that's a long story. There is a popular YouTuber, which is popular, I should say, Russian YouTuber, Howdy Ho, and that's still not the one who inspired me to learn Rust or whatever. That's not the one who made me start using Rust, but that's the person who made me first try Rust. This guy. And those videos are just random. Anyway, so on January 2023, I think, he was starting learning Rust, and in his Telegram channel, he was like sharing screenshots of code, which were like, this Telegram bot in like 5 lines of code or something like that. It was like really simple. I was like, wow, this language is cool. I should try that. And I did. I read first page of Rust book. I was like, oh my god, this like ownership model, I'm gonna hate it. And I did not specifically hate the ownership model. Well, I did not specifically hate the borrow checker. I hated the ownership model. I hated the fact that if you move a value, it's gone. You can't bring it back. I did not know about borrows back then. And well, yeah, that was one of the things. I was like, okay, no, Rust is a cool language, but I'm gonna stick with C++ and I'm gonna try to write code as good as Rust's one. Then I was like researching static analyzers and stuff. But then, on the Informatics Olympiad, that was my first Olympiad of the Republic level. I mean, we say it's like a Republic level, which is the whole Belarus is coming to the same place and do stuff. You try any static analyzer for C or C++. Clang Tidy, I guess, does count. So yeah, I was at the Olympiad, and I met a guy, who has a website, kinda. I don't know. Why is camera so slow? Well, I mean, okay, let me actually look it up. Okay, it should be in my clipboard. Oh my god, cameras, don't stop lagging. I'm not quite sure if it's fine to show it. Yeah, I guess. I mean, that's public, so I guess fine. Anyway, you saw everything. This guy, so I met him there, and he was using Linux. Back then I was using Windows with WSL2. I did try Linux, I did like Linux, but I installed Ubuntu and never booted it as a dual boot on my old laptop. And he was like using Linux, he was using Manjaro KDE. And I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. I should give Linux another try. I was like, my first message to him was like, what distro do you use? So I installed that. And since then, I only booted into my Windows install to build apps for Windows, and then I nuked my Windows install in order to try NixOS, and I could never get it back, unfortunately. So this guy basically made me switch to Linux. I enjoy Linux. I could never get. I was trying to get Windows installed back because I needed to do some smartphone flashing. Yeah, I tried to get Windows back. No, take this out of context. I needed to do some smartphone flashing, and there is a thing called SPFlash2, which works on Linux. There is a thing called AMTK client, which works on Linux. All of this works on Linux, but sometimes it just doesn't. And then I might need like a Windows PC or a Windows system, and you can't even run it in VM. By the way, another time when I tried to get Windows, I wasn't actually wanting to use Windows, so I got it into Virtual Manager, and then I did some insane networking to route my network traffic into Windows, into some bridges, into a Windows only VPN that would allow me to connect to a Minecraft server to play with my friends. That was also fun. Yeah. So that's another time when I needed Windows. Worked. It worked. I had to do like it was pretty rough to get started, but once it's running, it's fine. That was, well, I don't even know if it was fun, if it was really fun, or it was just kind of annoying. So, yeah, that was interesting. So this guy, he got me on Linux. It's like the first day I looked at his laptop screen, then he got me into Linux, and we're still chatting by this day. Like, yeah, we're friends. Like a few months later, he convinced me to give Rust another try, and then, well, I tried to port my C++ graphics library to Rust, but no, didn't succeed. I still switched to Rust, and yeah, now Rust is my main language. Put that move. I wonder what this is. Oh my god, byte A equals. Wow, that's like C. I discovered Linux Mint installation 2 days after updating Windows from 10 to 11. I did actually get from 10 to 11 really quickly. Like, as Microsoft announced Windows 11, I was like, why not update? Before I was like, Windows 7 it is, and no 10, never 10. Then I installed 10 on this laptop when I got new laptop. And then I updated to 11 as soon as possible. And then I got WSL, and then I got Linux, and never looked back really. So yeah, this is a compile. Oh my god, I wonder what this is. List of bytes. I couldn't get list of bytes in Java, I wrote my own. And this wasn't a linked list, it was a vector. Imagine, I think this one was a vector. Yes, oh my god, I actually wrote a vector without knowing that this exists. I knew what linked list was, but I was like, okay, no, this linked list is not nice, I just want an array. And then if I add something to it, I'm just gonna reallocate it. And oh my god, this is the worst way possible to join two lists. I'm constantly reallocating them on the recopy. Oh my god. But yes, I did not think about optimizations, but I did get vector based, basically. I mean, Java had array list, I guess. This teased me into thinking about this possibility. Init cons, oh my god. File batch. Batch, create new file. Write whatever this is. Runtime get runtime exec cmd/c start. Oh my god. What is this? Why? Why? Do linked list makes sense. Do linked list makes sense in Java? It's too high level for that. No. Java is, to me, Java is one of the best languages to learn data structures in. And I mean, linked list, hash maps and stuff. Utilities Java. Read file, write file. Or you mean write F. Another way of writing file. C shift to the right. Yeah, C beats it. I accept that. Okay, Captain Coder said that a few times to me now. I mean, not specifically to me, but I trust Captain Coder now that C is better at teaching data structures. Cause he's a teacher at least. I'm not. But I kinda like Java, and I think Java is great at doing this. Cause I learned classes in Java. I really enjoyed programming in Java actually. My god, can you give me parser? Compiler. Why is compiler in parser? Not supported yet. Oh my god. To change this license header. This has license. Oh my god, license header. No, not really. Well, I did threads a little bit. Compile director. Why? What is that? libraries directory / libs. Execute. String result equals code. Why? String array statements. Oh my god. Split by semicolons. That is insane. Drop strings. Oh no. A little bit. Don't look at the camera. I mean, you can look at the camera, but camera's just slow as always. Maybe one day I'll get a better camera. And maybe one day I'll get a better lights and maybe a studio or something. Oh my god, next comes even stranger things. For each statement, if statement contains a hash, we replace we remove new lines and split it by spaces, and then we check the first word. It wasn't camera, it was entire stream, huh? Maybe it was actually... It dropped 166 frames. So, yeah, we switch the first word and see defined. Okay, if it's defined, we replace... Oh my god, what is it? We replace... Oh, we remove the state... Oh my god, that's a preprocessor. We remove the statement from the code, and then we replace all... this by this. I can't even say that this won't work if your replacement contains spaces. And we have, oh my god, we have includes. And I remove the angle brackets. Oh my god, this is so C++-ish. And then I replace first by, oh my god, oh, I know why this is called compile director, because it was meant to evaluate preprocessor directives, I guess. I knew the word directives, I did not think of it as a... I don't know what it's... I don't remember what it's called actually. The preprocessor... Well, it is preprocessor. I just said that. So it's instead of preprocessor, it's a compiled director. Oh my god. See, I include file, which includes searches... Oh my god, it searches the current directory of a file first. Then, if it can't find that, it searches... Oh my god, why? New utilities. Why is it lowercase? Then it searches for libs directory. And then it searches for file. I don't even know what this is. Here, I guess. Just, oh, it's like in case this is like a global path. Okay, that's interesting. Error including files. File. Compiler. That was a director. Oh my god, I have an optimizer. Okay, know what this parser is? This is my first... Oh wait, AMF. What's AMF? Oh my god, what is that? That's not a parser, that's... What is that? Oh, it's like a Java module thingy. Boolean. Boolean. I was like, bool. Why is there no bool in Java? Why is it called boolean? File F. File F. What's file F? Equals false. I guess file found or something. If not, args start with dash. I get a file and then I read the code. Hold on. I assigned to a file. What's file F? I don't know. Dash H. Help. Help doesn't support this version. Okay, I did not know English back then that well. Debug mode doesn't support add this version. Maybe that was actually Google translated and Google Translate was so bad back then. Why do I have dash R as a debug? I don't know. Else. If it's like a single argument. Why? Okay, then I go through each file. If there is a dash F, oh. So like I was expecting a file to come after a dash F. Then I say file F. Or no. Oh yeah, I say file F is because the next arg will be file. Then if file ends with AMF. Why is it called an AMF? And why am I doing cmd/c start assembler.cmd? Okay, get logger Oh my god, what is this line? I probably just copied it from the internet. Else, I couldn't find it. I create the compiler with AMF or AMF quote. Wow. Oh, that's like in case the file name is in quotes. Oh my god. Then I create a compiler. I do compiler.main that takes a code and then write it to AMF. I don't know, assembly, and then I call assembler.cmd, which I guess I was mixing up assembly and assembler terms. So I kind of want to look at the compiler. Does it contain anything? Oh, it's not supported, of course. Code parser, and I want to look at the optimizer. Oh my god. Okay, this was actually an actual assembly language. I did invent my own assembly, I guess. Okay, is there assembler for no? This is Notepad ++ syntax highlighting right here. I remember that. I don't even know if I changed anything here. Oh, I did or I didn't. Yeah, I added the print keyword. / also. Wow, that was fun. But there should be like, huh? Okay, this AMF RTCC I equal SMVC. Oh my god, what is this? What is those are instructions. I'm pretty sure AMF was meant to be an assembly format. I don't know what A stands for. M I guess for MOVA, F I don't know also. Maybe A stands for assembly. I wonder what this was meant to do. I EQ, oh, just equal SM SMV SMVCC. I don't know. CC, maybe CC is like conditional. Probably no. I don't know. Okay, what is this? It just runs whatever on jar. Assembler.cmd. Echo all. Should I add this as a comment? Echo all of this and then pause twice. In case first did not work or I accidentally pressed enter, I don't know. Wow. Oh my god. Compiler does not really contain anything. A parser, so yeah, code parser. Oh my god. Import parser.ast. Is there an AST? Oh my god, there is a Lexer. Okay, look, this is my first ever parser. A recursive descent parser, obviously. Recursive descent for the win. We have a token.java, which contains a value and type. And yes, this is so much code. But it is I enjoyed writing it. It's not like about the amount of code. It was simple, it was easy, it was nice. Token type was an enum. Plus a Q, oh my god, this might have you know this guy, oh wait, no, it has no way it has an actual caret. No way I said caret here. Oh my god, where is it? Where is the caret, not the caret equals? I can't see it, caret. I think there's no caret, but there is caret q. But if you go to GitHub, the garbage collector, just garbage collector, the first one. If we go into source, I think that was here. Weather.hpp, this file solely contains the weatherlang interpreter from the first game. Oh wait, this might actually not have that. This probably actually doesn't have that. You know. Okay, I'm not gonna search for it to no spoil it. I wanna find it. Okay, yeah, this doesn't even have that stuff. I wonder what contains it then. Okay, so it was a so in one of my compilers slash interpreters, it was carrot. I actually said carrot in the code because I did not know how it was spelled. Tokenizer.java. Oh my god, this is like tokenize, which returns a list of tokens. Tokenize hex number, tokenize word. Oh my god, I was following a tutorial. My favorite language like parser writing tutorial in tree walking interpreter one. If character is letter or underscore or $sign, words could start from a $sign for some reason. Okay, sure. I don't know why. I guess if we examine the code, we'll see. So there's an expression. Oh my god, I'm scared. Expression tree. What's an expression tree? Additive. Oh my god, that's expression parsing. Additive expression. So yeah, you can see the recursive descent parser here. It is a literally recursive descent. I had a new here, new operator. I'm almost sure this was just copied from the tutorial I was watching. Maybe not. I'm not sure. I wonder if I actually did compile it at some point. Code parser. Consume NTS. Oh, end to string. And for 0 I return an empty string for... I have no idea why. Oh my god, I don't know why. Statement. Parse. Okay, so there is parse. List statement. Oh, list statement is like a block. Result. Where is the result? Oh, it result is result is here. Oh my god. Code part. Okay, this is the parser. Where's the part that was actually meant to compile it? Why do I have the optimizer but not the compiler? Add cc. Result plus equals move c space words 1 space pi. What's pi? What's pi? Oh, parseint. This is silly. Parseint of words 2 and words 3. Wow. Okay, so code.build. Oh my god, you know where the actual compiler is. Okay, I would say it was kind of smart here. What's been? Oh, binary operator JVOP, KeyOP, LogOP. What is that? Barrier Java. Oh, it binary here. Binary. I don't know what is this. Oh my god, that's compilation stuff. Okay, we take a look at an AST, for example, while statement. What do we have here? A build function. Look at that. Implement statement has an override build function. And, oh my god, method. This is a label. This creates a label. While, I don't know what mn means. And then the index. So that creates a label. Then I built all the expressions inside of this while, and then I jump if not equals to this if mnwh. Wow. Why is it if? Oh, if is like outside. And here we just go to, there's no jump, there's go to, but there's GNI. Get R. What's get R? Unsupported operation ADR get for while statement. Set R. Why is it? Switch OP. Left expression. Logical expression. Why? Oh my god. Jump not equals. Jump equals. Jump not less than. Less than S. Oh my god. Okay, maybe we'll find the secret of I equals MVCC. Oh, you know what? I might actually know what this means. If equals, move conditionally. Maybe. Oh my god, that's fun. Yes, so while statement. Debug statement. Is it like debug value? My god, text debug. That's silly. Okay, I'm not sure. Maybe I did build a bytecode well, probably no. I don't think I have actually interpreted the assembly I was generating, but I could generate the assembly. And if not this one, in the compilers and interpreters, we have CC. What's CC? I guess it was standing for a compiler. Test. Oh my god. You know what it is? You can see an RS file. Except that it's not quite Rust. Oh my god, you know what this is? I'm gonna leave you guessing if we review a few more. Universal interface. Imposter. What imposter? Why imposter? Okay, I think universal interface was not quite having anything. Set resolution, set title, clear window, plugin create function, new J code, long ID. What is that? I wonder what a J code and J plugin is. Oh my god. This is actually something I made. Oh my god. So this is about interfaces. I wonder what this is. NB project plugins. Lib? Is it in lib? No, it's CJP. Oh my god. Class exception, string message, public exception. This was like this. I think this is one of my program. Oh my god, this is using actual tabs. First of all, second of all, I think this is one of my programming languages. This was like Java but with operators and other stuff. Oh my god. CJP. Why is this called CJP? Build. Okay, let's not go into build. Lib. Yeah, we saw lib plugins maybe built-in plugins stick. Hold on, what is this? Plugins txt, plugins built-in default, test config.conf. What? I wonder what is this. Defaulted back plugin.cjp in. Oh my god. Readme test.exe. Oh my god, no way. Is this the actual? I think this might be the actual thing. Okay, I will leave this for later. Because this thing just turned into me reading archive. LSP. I wonder what LSP is. Why do I have J plugin here? Language server protocol? No, that's probably not it. J plugin and test.cjp, which has a function. So now okay. Let me see what else is here. NBCPP, I don't know what is this. NetBeans C++, JCPP, I don't know. CSM something. What template, I don't know. I think this might be like a C++ Java interoperability bridge or something that's provided by I don't know who and when. JCP, another Java C++ thingy. Is CC having anything? I think this is the one. Yes, this is the one. Okay, so let's look at this. Here I got pretty advanced because you know what. Universal interface. I wanna see. So yes, there is build jar props. So there is. Oh my god, there is actually CJP files. Plugins SRC universal interface. I don't know why this is a single file. I think JCPP was JCPP is the name of a language, I think. CJP is an extension. And JCPP is like a language that's Java, a mix of Java and C++. And here I'm registering functions, add button. Oh my god, this adds a button to a panel. And this has a... Oh my god, name and index and what is that? So first of all, how do I have a new object with a parenthesis over? Oh my god, Java had an anonymous classes at the same time. What is that? I think this is a function signature. I mean, not signature, just arguments, which were parsed by. I don't remember doing that, honestly. So then we have what is this? Add text field, add label, get button state, get field text, set field text, get label text, set label text, set resolution, set title, clear window. Oh my god, this is a return type, by the way. Wow, this is interesting. Utilities parse and run plugin default true. Oh my god, what's util? Util. It is Jcode string file name. Read file Jcode. Oh my god, what is this? I guess I'm not that entertaining, but still, it's fun. It's fun for me to read this. What I was writing, I was like, okay, when was it? This is archive. This is from archives from 8 months ago. I'm not quite sure if I can, but I think if I download the file, I can see its last modification date. Utilities.java. Okay, I can't, unfortunately. But I think it was like 2020. Maybe even before. No, not before that. This was a few years ago. Quite a few. Build finish. Oh my god. Initialize IO. Okay, so let's look at the plugin. Let me snooze a few ads a few times. Okay, I have more than one viewer. For 2 viewers. Better not look at that. So I'm gonna snooze an ad for a little bit more. Cause I do wanna show you what this has. So if we wait, that's more. Hold on, where's this thing? Compose that. Compilers and interpreters. Universal interface. It was like a universal interface. You can think a little. It's a Rust file, but okay, I'm gonna leave it on the screen. You can screenshot it and look and think. And oh my god. Did you get? Are you done? No. This section is enough. Saying that it's here. CC test RS. This code. This is enough to think about it for a while. Okay, so if we take a look at plugins, or should I? Okay, no, I should probably go into lib. Okay, we have types.cjp, long unsigned int n, int unsigned short n. What is that? Oh my god, you know what? N multiplied by -1. Unary minus doesn't exist, you know. Okay, so this is like an absolute function. Convert this to unsigned. For some reason, it returns a long. It returns a type 1 more. I don't know why. Then this isn't right. Short unsigned char n. Long reverse bytes. This reverses the byte order. Oh my god. Of long, of int, of short. And if you look at this and think about it, we have types. Well, no, we have function overloading, or whatever this was called. Like, you have a lot of functions with different signatures, and compiler automatically picks one of them. So it's just type CJP. This is so fun. Then we have exception CJP, which has a no way I got classes. I remember waking up one morning in the summer and rewriting this whole thing from scratch in one day. How did I have classes and operator overloading? I'm sure it worked because I remember running this thing. How? Okay, so I did build a pretty fancy tree walking interpreter there, right there. We have, oh my god, no way I had inherited. Okay, like actually I don't believe this now. I I can try to look at the, I guess it's in LSP for whatever reason. J plugin. I thought J plugin is like plugin into NetBeans or something. Plugin CJP. I wonder what this is. Java extension to that file. Why is this, wait, it's not the right one. Why does this file end in CJP? And why do you have operator overloading if I forgot to add Java extension to this file? Java doesn't have operator overloading. And oh my god, this is just an expression. I was testing priority. This is more like it. Okay, let's see. SRC. Oh my god. I actually got my name there. I wanted to confuse myself with that. No, I remember writing my own language that was similar to Java but with C++ features. I actually got my name, but see, my domain was infinitecoder.net back then. My dream domain. I switched to infinitecoder.org because this was my dream domain now, a year ago. A year ago, I bought my domain. I said it will be infinitecoder.org. Let's not go into test JPlugin. Okay, this is an actual parser, I think. Expressions, binary expressions, stuff, statements, are there statements, there are values. I think I got rid of statements there. Maybe. Postfix expression, ternary expression, unary, binary expression. Okay, binary expression is now a single thing, which have expression AB and string operator. It has a toString file. Okay, that was fun, I see. Expression, that's an interface. Value eval, yeah, evaluate anyway. That was just a thing. JPlugin support, JPlugin template, JPlugin backup. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, I don't know where the parser is. The parser for the classes is. I'm pretty sure I had some advanced things, but not the inheritance. Parser.java. What is that? Oh my god, why do I have a giant banner saying expression here? I guess so. I see this is the start of the code where it contains expressions, and then I guess I have helping. I think this is helping. I decided, okay, let's do a different font there. Yeah, it's sure it's a good project. Well, it's just those just separate pieces of code because there's as you can see, this is a lot of code, and I want to see where the first region of functions of similar functions start and where the second region of similar functions start. Oh my god! Operators, lexer, parser, parsing error, token type. Okay, lexer is all in one file. JPlugin. I wanna see where is the class or something. Okay, oh wait, this one contains only expressions. If I go to a backup, I wonder what this had. Maybe this was not rewritten. Lib parser. Controller RS. I was like actually kid when writing that. I mean, you have pixel. This is fine. Luanti also has that. If I launch Luanti, oh wait, mine test. It has a banner. Well, it doesn't show it here, but it has a banner. A lot of things have a banner printed. Splash logo, yeah. I just have it as a comment to separate lines. No, it's a, you know, comment bars or whatever. Like, you have a lot of functions that are doing one thing, then you have a lot of functions that are doing other things, but they are all in one file instead of splitting this giant file into multiple ones. And you just put a huge comment in between them, and it was like everything below this comment is like those functions, everything above is like other functions. And then for some reason I decided to do a banner. Oh my god, I wanna see if this thing has... Oh my god, this thing has statements. Oh my god, that's a lot of statements. Switch statement. Object create. Okay, we can probably see class registration statement. Superclass. Okay, I told you I had this thing. Class name body. I don't have superclasses into string. Block statement. Okay, maybe I don't know why. Block statement super body. Active classes. Active classes. What's active classes? Super. Okay, I do have super classes. 10x developer, 10x more lines and comment separators. Okay, so yes, this is advanced now, and this should show up all the possibilities. Okay, gamma, int gamma, hard glass mag time plus minus equal, whatever. Okay, heavens lurk. Those are comments. This is just me testing stuff. I wonder what lib is. Lib actually contains. Oh my god, that's just resolution. Int sum, println sum. Okay, if we take a look at universal interface, we have exception here. Then we have a directory, yeah, base CJP, string __ file name equals config.conf. We have a config class file, char bytes, read bin file name, int seek id. Oh my god, what is that? Read bin. What is that? I don't know why. Why? What is that? Seek into somewhere. And oh my god, I'm just offsetting. Seeked. Wow, this is interesting. Well, yeah. Let's actually go back to plugins. And I guess Nigel's not here, which is sad. Because I wanna show him. Default trash. Why is 3260? Why? Okay, I know everything. I know everything. I know everything about those files. I don't know. Let's just go to test structures. Okay, this is. I can't even go. Okay, let's go to default plugin, which has a config file. Plugins built-in default plugin CJP. Default. Whatever. Okay, all of those are the same thing. I don't want to show that without Nigel. So I guess next thing we'll do is maybe some Orco stuff, because I haven't done Orco on stream in a while. I don't have it in the Oxide now. Dev Orco. Well, I don't know where it is. Tools Orco. And you know, I haven't forgotten about it. Because if I do git pull, it's gonna pull a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, I did work on it on the other computer. In school every week on computer science lesson, or actually it's an informatics lesson, I boot into my USB stick with Linux and I work on Orco. Yeah, sounds about right. Sounds about like 10th grade, right? About like high school. Sounds right to me, at least. That's what I earned. That's I mean, that's what I would like to see on. That's my favorite informatics lessons. Well, on some of them I played games, not just regular games. Human resource machine. You know what human resource machine is? I'm talking to no one, by the way, right now, probably. Unless someone's actually watching me. 2 viewers, it says. Human resource machine. Yeah, that's a game. 2015. It was fun. I completed it. What's deluxe? Yeah, this is it. This is it. I remember that. Oh my god, I remember playing this. This was like 3 years ago. Now that I think about it. Oh my god, we had labels. Oh my god. Small divide. How many times does the second fully fit in the first? If negative numbers divide by 0 or remainders. Still, for instance, this might be a good time to practice copying and pasting from a previous assignment. Jump with zero, jump with Nick. Oh my god, this game is so good. I suggest everyone play it. See, Human Resource Machine. I suggest everyone in chat, which no people right now probably, play this game. Just like Turing Complete, which I have never played. Turing Complete game. Well, I could just go Turing Complete on Steam. It is paid. Oh, it's early access. It's not even paid, it's just early access. Well, it is paid, I guess. Yeah, it is 10 for... Oh my god, that's expensive. So start playing. This game is developed. It's not complete. May or may not change in the future. I am excited to play this game, and like stated had it like few years ago. Release date 2nd of October 2021. Early access still. So yeah. Oh my god, it already showed why I'm so excited. I wanna play the game on streams. On like a lot of streams in a sequence. I want this. But unfortunately, I'm too broke to afford it. Honestly. Well, probably, hopefully one day I'll actually buy it. Maybe that's gonna be this spring, and this summer I will play it on streams together. Maybe. I just wanna play the game. So yeah, this was fun. So yeah, anyway. Oh my god, I'm getting sidetracked so far today. Ad break's coming. Okay, let me get my usual working layout, and I think... Yeah, I did change a lot of stuff here. And yeah, it doesn't compile anymore, by the way. Orco, libres. See, expression now has... What? No configured language server supports go to what? Rust language server doesn't work. Huh? That's interesting. I wonder why. Well, it's not just it doesn't work. It's not there. It doesn't exist. I wonder how long I've been live. Log dash open. Oh my god, log dash open exists, by the way. I changed. Okay, 143. Log open. Are you back, Nigel, or just running? Transport error stream closed something. Rust analyzer. Okay, Rust analyzer. Syncing updates, downloading components and stuff. Okay, maybe I should LSP restart again. Well, yeah, Rust analyzer is just dead. Delay. What's delay? So yeah, what do we write in an operator? You know, an operator is, I don't even know if this should be a trait, honestly. This should technically, this is like a reference. Log open, go to end. You suggest GE, go to last line. Built to initialize language server close the stream, unknown binary Rust analyzer and official toolchain. What do you mean unknown binary Rust analyzer and official toolchain? Okay, let's go to oh my god, why? That's not from this project. If you look at this carefully, by the way, we could also do that. We could also do that on stream, which is Satan development. You know what Satan is, obviously. Satan contribution. And yeah, you can probably tell by the Rust analyzer log messages. Oh my god. I'm not gonna say anything else. Anything more. Well, that's still not from this project. Can I clear this file? Can like can I write? Oh my god, I can write log open lsp restart and then reload. Is it gonna work? It's not gonna work. So huh? Over Rust license going in some other. I mean, like this here, Rust Analyzer actually worked on the other machine. It's running Arch, by the way. And also, Nigel, since you're here, I kind of wanna show you this. Oh no, this. So yeah, we have plugin. If you're here, we have plugins in Universal Interface. This was long ago. Now, I'm gonna open folders one by one, try to guess what it is. You probably can't tell. If I open config, you probably can't tell because it's just a plugin, it has structures. If I open plugins, okay, this was too much. Okay. I'm just gonna be silent and opening files. Well, not really silent, I'm gonna be talking. Okay, this was too big of a... This was too big of a hint. Why do I have Okay, I'm just gonna be showing you that print. Now try to tell what's happening. First sect address. Oh my god. And that's in CJP. That's in the language I wrote. Now you can probably tell what it is doing. Portable executable. You know what it is? It's Microsoft Portable Executable. It's XZ. I made this language and I parsed executable files with it. Oh my god, I had quotes and includes and triangle brackets. Oh wow. So yeah, I did follow a random tutorial on the internet, but I ported a few structs in Windows.h. Oh my god, I had types, I had those types, I was like, bytex, oh my god, I had arrays. I did run this with my interpreter and it did work, which is insane. So yeah, this was fun. Now for this thing, you probably want to know what this is. So before I switched to Rust, I did one final thing. I wanted to create my own language again, because I was still a kid 2 years ago. Well, actually, why am I saying 2 years ago? It was 1.5 years ago. I was like, okay, I can't decide between C++ and Rust, so I'll just make my own language. But the guy who switched me to Linux, who made me use Rust, convinced me to actually use Rust and not write my own languages because there's no reason to, and I can agree. But yeah, this was planned syntax. I took like Rust syntax, but I decided like, okay, you know, I'm gonna do this. This was meant to be this, and so yeah, I wanted to self-host. So first compiler I was going to write was in Java because Java was just so easy, and Lexer now is in single file. It was gone. You're back. Oh my god, nice. I just talked about, a lot about stuff. So yeah, can you tell what this is? Were you back when I was saying what this is? Okay, I'm gonna slowly CJP actually. Okay, I'm gonna slowly scroll down. You just look at the screen and try to figure out what is happening here. Why is this called WCHAR? I'm just slowly scrolling down. And you try to figure out what this is. I probably gave it up already. You can easily tell. Come on. I'm silent. They're back. Okay. This was fun. this Windows stuff. This is an ELF parser. Oh wait, not ELF, AXE parser. So Windows executables are PE files, portable executable. And following some random tutorial, I wrote a portable executable parser, even ported Windows types. A few of them, just a little bit. Oh my god, I deleted that. So yeah, I ported... I'm just gonna say, I ported... Well, not ported, I wrote PE parser. It worked. This thing, it contained... in my language, in my own language, this thing worked. It parsed an executable file. So I wasn't 10 back then. Well, actually, yeah, actually this is about when I was 10 or 11 or 12, something like that. Probably not later than 12. So yeah, now I wanna tell you what this is again. Well, you heard. Did you hear what this is? Did I say that already? This was a language that I decided to make one last time before I switched to Rust, because I was like, okay, no. So yeah, this is a REST file. I said .rs because I was like, okay, Rust is the syntax is closest to Rust, so I'm gonna get Rust highlighting if I say this .rs file. And this was my last attempt at making a custom language before I switched to Rust. I was like, okay, I can't decide between Rust and C++. I'm just gonna make my own language that's in the middle of them, and that's it. But no, my friend convinced me to actually use Rust instead. What's dc.iml? Oh, that's just admin's file. That's just awk formatting. Oh well. By the way, did I already tell you that I did awk injections into Bad Cop server? You probably heard that story from me. Storytelling time. Should I add the storytelling redeem? Like story time? I tell a story. Maybe, or should I instead do a bank story command that's gonna fetch a story from from a random file and send it as a Twitch message? Well, it's not gonna fit in Twitch message, will it? Anyway, yeah. I did get a bit there, a bit farther. So yeah, I was going to self-host, but first parser was written in Java, so I could self-host faster. So yeah, we're fetching Orco here. While you were gone, I did pull the Orco because I am actually working on Orco. On computer science lessons, or should I say on informatics lessons, and I do see my overlay crashed. So on informatics lessons, I just plug in my USB stick, and yes, this is X server again. We saw that again. We saw that already. So yeah, on my informatics lessons in school, I boot into my USB stick with Arch Linux, and I do Orco development there. So yeah, when I cloned that, when I said that, I just deviated from the, well, should I say deviated? I should probably say I just got sidetracked into telling that on informatics lessons, before I was playing this game, Human Resource Machine. It's so fun. You can tell by this that it's fun. This is what Scratch and assembly middle ground looks like. This is the in between Scratch and assembly. Well, this is assembly in the style of Scratch. This was fun. You don't have division. You have add, sub, bump up, bump down, jump with 0, jump with negative, and stuff like that. This is so fun. I suggest you play this game. I don't know if it's paid or not, because my informatics teacher got it for me. But yeah, this was fun. You can do comments. There was also a second part called 7 Billion Humans, which I started but have never completed because my informatics teacher went away to another job, and another informatics teacher came, and then another, and then another one. Yeah, that was a long thing. 7 billion humans. Yeah, this is like a second part. I wonder if it's actually on Steam. I wonder if it's actually like paid. Oh my god, $8. That's more than I expected. This was fun still. How much? I don't. The Tomorrow Corporation collection. Little Inferno. I wonder if there are more games like this. Probably no. So yeah, this was fun. I wonder if my informatics teacher actually bought it. 7 billion humans. 7 billion humans is the same as Human Resource Machine, but parallelized. I had to write a parallel sort with this thing in assembly-ish language. You had ifs there, and jumps, and steps and stuff. But oh my god. Yeah, like, the lore of this game is the guy who you were controlling in the Human Resource Machine is now controlling a lot of people who need to at the same time do stuff. And there was a sorting job. Yeah, this was fun. I remember how fun this was. So yeah, while I was talking about that, I also mentioned Turing Complete, which surprisingly is in early access and it's a bit expensive, just like all games on Steam. But I want to play this game badly. This is interesting. Yeah, you saw that right. You saw that right. So you make an assembly. Let's just watch its trailer. I hope it's fine. I'm not gonna do music because copyright reason. Learn CPU architecture with puzzles. Oh my god, space doesn't work. Yeah, just a wire. Come on. Oh wait, it's paused for some reason. A humble start with nothing else. Logic gates. Create every component yourself. You build logic gates together and save it as an XOR gate. Build more complex circuits, and the bigger your circuit is, when you compact it into a single chip, it takes more space, which means optimize it initially. Eventually, you complete your first computer. Yeah, I think Fifth Function showed me this thing. I'm not quite sure, but I think Fifth Function showed me that game. Programming in binary is a pain. Yeah. So you make an assembly language. You name instructions. You can solve mazes in 20 bytes. Yeah. In your own assembly language. That's all. On your own computer, yes. That's all built out of logic gates. Optimize your solutions. What is this? I guess that's just... We're building... Oh, that's a playground mode. Tetris, yeah, classics. Screen keyboards. If you try to make such projects unseen by others as perfect as any human could, you'll develop skills that other professionals don't have. Don't have. Steve Wozniak. I don't know, sorry if I couldn't pronounce his name. Say, I want to play the game. Maybe I'm gonna buy it at some point, but it's expensive. Like, I wanted to play it this summer, the summer of 2024, on streams, but too expensive. Maybe I'm gonna play it the next summer, the summer of 2025. I could actually probably buy that if I save for a bit. I mean, I can afford my domain, which is just 38 cents cheaper, so I can probably buy the game once. I guess. And do it on streams. On summer. I just got a notification about an event in my school. I can't really tell much about it, partially because I don't know that much English words, but still, it's interesting. So yeah, Human Resource Machine, 7 billion humans, and Turing Complete. That's fun. I might play this on stream. If I will, I'm gonna do it on streams. I wanna see if there's Twitch category about that. Turing complete. I think I searched for it already. Yes, there is. Because the game is just so cool. 276 followers. I'm just gonna follow it. IGDB. Ooh, IGDB, the game database, I guess. Can I put my own game there? In game, iGame database. Login with Twitch. I hope it doesn't show anything. Okay, did login. Flashback. What do we have here? My contributions. Data points contributor. I can add games. Hold on. I didn't catch the countdown to speedrun.com. Can I add catch the countdown to game database? I wonder if I can. It's covering things today. Okay, I did not expect this thing to be fun for me. Sadly, I don't have much viewers. So which means people are not enjoying that much. But I guess we can just not look at it. Add a game, add a company, whatever this is. I guess I wanna add a game. Okay, I can actually add a game. Should we try that? I guess they're also gonna do the thing like speedrun.com, like in speedrun.com. Can I log in without showing stuff? I don't know with Twitch. I don't remember which one I used. Okay, that's not mine. My account, and I did not leak any data surprisingly yet. Discord, maybe? Oh my god, okay, hold on. Okay, I did manage to forget my password. And yeah, I signed up to speedrun.com without any accounts. Well, I mean, like with an email, which is not the best way. Yeah, I had to do a password reset. At least I set up a better password now, which is much more secure, and I'll forget it in like 3 seconds. I know, I don't remember it already. Just it has some links, so I wanted to catch the countdown. I wanted to try to put it onto Twitch, because this would be interesting. 2023, yeah, released in 2023. Stats, news, resources, forums, streams. You know, I kind of want to get it on Twitch. Hi, Synculum. Yes, LastPass. I use LastPass. And yeah, the password for speedrun.com from LastPass was like a few random letters for some reason. I don't know why. So yeah, I wanna try to add the game to this IGDB. And yeah, I also wanna stream Turing Complete once I buy this, but that's expensive yet for now. So yeah, this was a fun stream. Before you joined, I also looked through my. By the way, you might be interested. You might. Yeah, Turing Complete is. This game is awesome. Fifth Function told me about it like half a year ago by now, but I could not buy it because it's too expensive. I don't know why, actually, honestly. I might do it. And yeah, $10 might not seem as much for you, but. Well, actually, first of all, I don't think I have my Steam account. Second of all, that's quite a bit in our country. Anyway, I'm probably gonna do it this spring, because I do want to buy this game. Maybe even for the new year. But then, when am I gonna play it? Because the next quarter of the year will be really busy for me. And I might not even stream. So you might, Stinklum, you might be interested. You might like this. So I was today, for some reason on stream, I decided to look through my archive repository on GitHub. You can get the link, by the way. I should have sent it before. This might be interesting. This specifically. So archive contains a lot of Java projects because I liked Java before. A lot, and so this specifically is a parser. If I go here, this is a parser, and so this is a recursive descent parser and a tree walking interpreter. Obviously, my first way of building programming languages with my own language. So if we take a look at, for example, I don't know, parser, statements. Class field, whatever, class registration statement, for example. That's just a class. So if we take a look at this thing, and we take a look at lib, oh wait, that's lib is not much stuff. So if we take a look at universal interface universal interface project, for some reason it's an NB project, and for some reason it contains this Java, which just registers some functions. I guess it uses the directory I showed before as a plugin. I don't quite remember, this was a few years ago. And even though it was pushed 8 months ago, because I created the archive directory and just found it on my hard drive. Now Microsoft's GitHub servers are filled with my random stuff. Anyway, if we go to not plugins lib, you can see the example of my programming language. And that is my old programming language, real old. I was like 12 when implementing that, and I mean actually. So we can see, first of all, I did not expect that I implemented this, which means like depending on the type of the arguments, a different function can be chosen. And yeah, I was mixing Java and C++. Then I had inheritance. I don't know how. It's probably how it worked is just it creates this class and just takes all the functions from this one and the fields and puts them there. I don't know how. Then we have whatever base CJP file, something file, reading a way to read files, that's very weird. But that's not the most interesting part. The most interesting part is in plugins. If we take a look at built-in, there's a lot of versions of this plugin. If we okay, Synclamari is still here, just in case, because I do wanna do. Never made a programming language before. I mean, maybe you should. Maybe you should try play Turing Complete and make your assembly and then make a compiler for it. I don't know how. No, it's easy. It's actually easy. I followed a tutorial, a YouTube tutorial by a guy. This guy's name is Animon. The tutorial is in Russian, but this is such a good tutorial. Well, you learn when you play through Turing Complete. You don't need any knowledge to start playing this game. But once you end playing this game, you will know what assembly is and how it works. Like, you will just I mean, if you ever complete it, you probably will actually get you probably will actually get really good at assembly and other stuff. You will understand how the computer works, and you probably won't understand how x86 computer boots, unfortunately, and like formats of executable files, which is just what I want to show right now. But still, so if we take a look at structures here, I suggest playing this game to everyone today. So if we take a look at structures, we can see pe.cjp. You wanna guess what this is? You probably don't know. You probably can't. msd, pe. I'm just gonna scroll down a little. You can take a quick glance. Image cnmem read, whatever. I'm gonna open windows.cjp. Yeah, you probably can tell. Well, maybe not. So yeah, plugin CJP. This thing, first of all, this is in my own programming language, in a tree walking interpreter. This parses portable executables. Portable executable is an exe file for Microsoft Windows. And this actually worked, which was pretty insane. Anyway, so I wanted to try to add a game to reach as library. I did that Catch the Countdown, which is my game, to speedrun.com. I wanna try. There are 8 levels, by the way. I wanna try. Yeah, I'm holding all the records because I'm the only one who submitted. But actually, the actual world record was held by Alkaline. Yeah, that's one of a few games I made. If you actually take a look at Twitch. It's Twitch at itch.io. Yeah, that's mine. Those are basically all games I made, except one that was made for Ludum Dare, and this one specifically, I consider it my best game ever. This one, here it is. So I made it, I uploaded it to speedrun.com, and Alkaline actually beat me and set a world record, which is like, at least it's well, it is. I think it is sub 3 minutes for sure. It was really great. It is a good record. Maybe it's even less. But Alkaline said, so I'm gonna read. She said, I'm gonna register on speedrun.com and upload clips to there later. Then later, half a year later, we're here, still no. She just, yeah. Anyway, nobody did eventually do that. She didn't. I guess fine. So I wanna try to put this thing on to IGDB, which I think is connected somehow with Twitch's game library. Because I did join for Twitch there. And what is Flashback, I wonder? Flashback. Year in gaming. 0000 NA00. Great. 0 abandoned games. I wonder what this is. Okay, so let me try getting inform here. Description. Can I get the description from there? Does this thing have a description? Glitchless intended task chat % category. Oh my god. You know, nobody, I'm sure nobody can beat the whole game with chat percent. And I say this to all the streamers out there. You probably can't. And you probably don't know what chat percent means, but chat percent is when you're blindfolded and you can't hear the game. You can, well, you're not blindfolded, so you can only read chat. I think Cosmic is his name. Did that with Mario. So you can't see anything, you can't hear anything. You can only see chat, and chat can see the game, and chat tells you, you're dead. And you need to do that. So basically, for that game, you probably can't do anything, because this is a parkour game. You can't really do parkour with chat percent, you're just gonna... Okay, level 9, it's so frustrating to beat already, you can't beat it already. Yeah, chat percent, originally made by Cosmic. I think Cosmic is his name, and with K, Cosmic... Well, no games have that. It's just this guy on YouTube, he is also on Twitch. He did that at some point. If I take a look at chat percent... You do follow him on Twitch. Beating Super Mario Bros. With no sight sound, only chat. That he made that. He decided to try that. It was fun. I enjoyed watching this so much, so I decided to add this category here. Chat percent, you know. Also TAS. I tried to do a TAS singing, but I couldn't. I couldn't build the game on NixOS again. Anyway, welcome back, Nigel. So yeah, I wanna try adding that description. Is there any? Oh my god, give me release date, Twitch name. There's no Twitch name. Website URL. Okay, I can go to website URL and copy the description from there. Post gem update. Arrow keys. And probably quite a few bugs in them. What? Controls, music. Press music button on the screen to enable music. If button is crossed, then music is already enabled. Be aware that music is disabled by default for a reason. Because it eats away your what is it? Hear you can't hear after you hear this music. Well, not really. Still, I don't think I have the Git repo cloned. I do need to clone it then. How do I get the Git repo? I think it was here. Source code, could license Apache. Oh my god, I licensed this under Apache, Nigel. You were asking about other licenses. I licensed this game under Apache license 2.0. I kinda regret it, but I guess sure. YouTube. There's a link to YouTube. Anyway, that was I think YouTube video. I wanna. I mean, I don't, but Apache is a little too Apache is a little too limiting. You can't take my game and use it without, basically without my permission. Well, I mean, you can, but you have to give attribution. I don't quite know the difference between them, honestly. I don't remember. But I think Apache is more limiting than MIT. But still, I mean, it's probably fine, so nobody cares. Games, git clone this. Now this should probably have page, banner, cover. Okay, so what is this cover? Where did this cover come from? It's like a different cover. Tileset, old tileset and new tileset. Which one do you like better? Yeah, I know. I know, but still, doesn't MIT have attribution? Well, actually, I think MIT doesn't have attribution. That's why. So I prefer MIT. Kinda prefer. No, but I'm not sure. Rust projects are traditionally licensed under MIT or Apache. Cover PNGs, so embedded games. Catch the countdown page, cover save. Okay, now I'm gonna this is the cover. I'm gonna put this here. Game cover. Type main game. Yes. It's very close to 3 to 4. Cover size too small. Okay, sure. I'm gonna upgrade the cover size. Wait, why did it open in Ocular? It should be opened with a sprite. Click. Sprite size, nearest neighbor, width 400%. Well, that's probably a bit too big, but still, who cares? Now it's gonna be too big, right? I don't have to select it manually. Okay, the countdown. Page cover PNG this one. What? Wait, did I save? I might have not saved. Come on. Oh no, dimensions, it is big. Cover size too small. Can I okay, let me reset this to this. Cover ratio not 3 to 4. Cover PNG. Okay, cover ratio very close to 3 to 4. Status. Cancelled, rumor delisted, huh? Alpha, beta, early access, offline, cancelled, rumor delisted. What does this mean? I guess offline? Or not offline? Default empty. Delisted. What does delisted mean? Okay, I guess I'm gonna keep that. Region, select my region. Europe? Not really Europe. Why is there no Asia? I don't know what else. Africa? Is Africa a region? My geography teacher would kill me. Oh my god. Localized cover, I don't care. Remove localization. Oh wait, I don't need localization. Alternative titles, I don't care. Genres. What genre is this? Rules permission. Should probably look at each. Platformer. Yeah, it is platformer. Platform, sure. Steam. Pix. I know. 4 times Explorer. Expand. 4x Explore, expand, exploit, and oh my god, what? This comedy, drama, educational, erotic, fantasy, historical, horror, kids, mystery, non-fiction, open world, party, romance, sandbox, science fiction, sales, survival, thriller. Oh my god, what do I choose here? It's just a tiny platformer. I don't know. I guess hints or something. It's not science fiction. Mystery, kids. I guess. Cage, they count down. Series, no series. Franchise, no franchise. Player perspectory. Side view, I guess. Game modes. They have to fill it in. Single player. Oh, I did. Count down. Catch the count down. I just didn't finish it. Catch the count down. Add. Okay. Mods. Nope. Platform. Okay. I'm not gonna keep that. Platform release. Oh my god. Any web browser date. Where was the release date? Oh, 31st of 7, 2023, I guess. What's the 7th month? Wait, what am I doing? July. I've count. Why? Okay, I need July 2023, I guess. 31st of July. Region. Is there better? No. Europe, worldwide. Let's do status. Full release. Or should I say early access? Nah, I guess full release. Add release. Okay, that's enough. Next. Company. No company. Platforms. Can I skip that? Store links. Each. Okay, I can put on each link. By the way, what's gonna happen to itch.io when IO domain is gonna be destroyed? YouTube, social links, there is none of that. Twitch. Nope. Videos, trailer, enter YouTube URL. Copy URL. Oh, wow. Yes, this game was so I consider this my best game, and it was so I mean, I consider it better than any of my other games so much that I even made the trailer for it on YouTube. Because it was pretty good to me. For a game jam game, in 2 days it was polished. Storyline, no story, excuse me. Engine. What was it? LDTK, Speedy 2D. I don't know. Rust. Okay, you don't have an engine, guy. Come on. Sprite. Age rating. Rating. Oh my god, what does this mean? Okay, I can leave it blank. Okay. Next. Supported languages. Audio. How can I just create it? Information, me, X13, December 18, it text new game, votes, upvote 1, old name, old websites, new websites, itch.io, status delisted, I don't know why, what this means, anyway, new summary, the cover photo, release dates, themes, I don't know, kids. It's not really a theme. I guess that's fine. Okay, now. Set cookies. Don't care. Comments, changelog. Is it saved? Validation. Change the counter. Okay. Not available. Cover missing. Data validation on this page screen pending. Review and help validation by leaving a comment on the following game page contribution incident. Okay, now you know what to do if you want to get the game on here. I don't really know what it means. Main developers. It doesn't have anything. Oh wait, I mean it doesn't have anything because it didn't update, but still main developers. I don't think there was a section about it. Anyway, so it's more information. Well, gameplay footage and other context we might be missing. Feel free to leave them. Well, you've got everything you need. Yeah, that's how I add games. I mean, somehow I did add it here, and in order to, I did get it on the speedrun.com, and in order to get it on speedrun.com, and that's my settings, hold on, I had to record a whole game run, like a whole playthrough of the game, because speedrun.com requires it. And oh my god, this was painful because I had to finish it again because it's hard. Anyway, makes sense, yeah. they didn't like my trailer, so they decided that they want. I mean, yeah, I shouldn't have put trailer as a playthrough in the first place, but still. I mean, yeah, that makes sense anyway. I guess we could do with the Forco in the left time. The time left. So operator probably shouldn't be a trait. What would happen to you? You'd be too bad to play your own game. I mean, this one is actually hard. I can just show it. Also, the controls are just. The controls here are just if you don't read this paragraph. Okay, if you don't read this line, or those two lines, I guess, you would spend like hours figuring out how to get up on the second level. Oh my god, sounds. Yeah, that's pretty simple. Oh my god, this is loud. Can I somehow make it quieter? Volume master. Let me get that. Okay, install, add the extension. Okay, got it. Now pin it and make it quieter. Not that quiet. It's quieter, still too much. So yeah, if you don't read it. Oh, also there is double jump. Not many people know about that. So yeah, to speedrun this properly, this is like actually hard, because well, the best speedrun here is like when you fall down, you can actually hit keys perfectly to get up in this, in here. I forgot about how to do this. So yeah, like the speedrun, the all kind of speedrun is actually pretty good. By the way, don't take this 5 because you need 6 first. Because this is a countdown. Oh, I think it was made with Raylib actually, not with Speed 2D. So yeah, this is a pretty easy level so far. Oh my god, this was embarrassing. So yeah, Alkaline speedrun is actually pretty good. And by the way, if I scroll down, yeah, my friend has beaten me. Gotta get back on Twitch. 4 minutes 30 seconds. 4 minutes 14 seconds. Full run, terrible run actually. I got it on YouTube, oh my god. I got it on speedrun.com. Oh my god, okay, this level is hard. Cause you don't need to take this 5. This one is pretty hard. You get 6, then you, oh my god, I almost fell. Then you get 5, then you go here. You get 4. Now, this jump is hard. It is possible, but it is hard. So it takes a few tries to get this level. And also this 5 can be annoying. And you're just so... What is not really kid safe content, I guess. Because this is blood over robots, I guess. Oh my god. Well, just red particles. Well, okay, so this is the hard part. The first hard part here is the first hard part in this game is this jump, which is makeable. You can see in the run, and it's harder to do this on desktop builds, I think, because you get more FPS. Well, I'm not sure actually. See, this gets frustrating very quickly. I don't know if I'm gonna get it today, because I was not really planning to play this. Oh my god. Yeah, that's frustrating. I could take like 30 minutes. Except it can grab onto the sides. Yeah, it can. That's the point of a game. And it's very hard to figure out if you don't know that beforehand, because you need to press down in order to grab onto a wall. Okay, so this jump is like actually hard. It is really hard. It can take a while. I'm not gonna play it again. Okay, let me just... I guess I could show you the run. Full run? Terrible. Terrible run. Oh my god, ads. Yes, sure. I'm just gonna... Wait. Okay, here. And you can... Oh my god. First of all, you can see that this is on Linux. You can see that I'm using the same cursor, the button modernize. You can see the close button, but no other buttons, first of all, for some reason. You can see the bookmarks. MP4-Rust, MP4 Writer, live streaming YouTube, and ticket from speedrun.com, so I can actually speedrun the game. It's just me replying. Yeah. And oh my god, I still had this. So I recorded this using OBS. You can see this part. Type bank plushie to distract me. There's a lot of flashes, for example, Ferris C++ VS Code. Oh my god, and this is Hyperland. You can see the Hyperland bar, way bar, configured on top. Oh my god. And yeah, I had this on my streams, I forgot to turn it off. Yeah. So you can see. So this speedrun is bad. Well, it starts pretty well actually. But it is bad. It's yeah, first of all, I'm taking the path to the right, because left one is actually kind of hard. I'm not even sure if it's possible, but I think it is. Then, yeah, it is pretty fine right now. Now, I do this a bit unsuccessfully, but you can actually learn to do this pretty easily. Now, you don't get the 5, because you need 6 first. Then you go grab 6, then you go back, then you take 5, then you go back and don't die on the spikes. You go up. I actually went up pretty well here. Go grab 4, go grab 3, go grab 2, and go fall down, take 1. Go through the door, then you go take 7. I think this has like a few attempts on this level actually, because this is speedrun is not a speedrun. It's not even failless. Okay, I did get the jump first try but it is hard. Okay, I got there. Okay, this level is a little bit confusing. You need to grab 8 first. And it is not that hard. This level is not that hard, but it is a bit... Well, it is like, I think this is one of the most interesting levels. And yeah, grabbing the 6 is a little hard. Now, go down, go here, jump over those spikes. Now, you can grab both of them in like a single jump. And I did it in 2 jumps, okay, that's pretty good. You can fall down and then go through the whole loop again. Then you need to carefully get the 1. You need to get up here. Okay, this level is the hardest and most annoying of them all. I spent so much time. And yeah, you can maybe theoretically jump over those spikes, but I don't think hitboxes allow for that. Because I think spike hitboxes here are not... I think spike hitboxes here are just not leaving you alone. They are just bad. They are just a whole block. Nothing, yeah. So yeah, then you go up. No way I did this first try! What? I did not expect I did this first try on the speedrun. Maybe. Okay, this is embarrassing. Well, I know why this happens, because I pressed S, but I shouldn't have. Yeah, it's pretty It's pretty easy to do this level. I just did not want to do the level before that again. So this is the last level, you get 10. And oh my god, why? I was just like, okay, I'm done, it's too hard. I'm not gonna re-record it, I'm gonna just fail a few times. Okay, I think this is the one. Yes. Then we get 9. 9 is here. Go here. You have the spider. I introduced the spider on this level. Then you get the 8. Okay, I'm so scared to jump here, but yeah, you do that. You go up. You get 7. You don't fall down like me. You get 7 here. Which you can also get up. You wait for the spider, because if you don't, you're gonna die with it. You get 6. You go here. I just decided to have a little rest. So it's a lot of numbers just here. Then you wait for the spider, you take the spider, you eat the spider. Okay, you take the one and you go. And done! Thanks for playing, your time made for iCode Jam 2023 by me. Oh my god. Yeah. This was pretty intense. Okay, so... Anyway. Operators. So I do Oracle sim. Expression mode arrest, or actually statement probably. Statement mode arrest, yes, C parser. We have return statement. So I do need it to be an operator, I guess. Or do I need? I think I don't know. Should it be a struct or just an operator or just a trait? I'm not quite sure. So actually the operator is just a reference to an operator and I guess arguments. Public operator, which is a symbol ref to an operator trait, and then the args, which are, I don't know, expressions, maybe not. I guess should be expressions. Vec of expression, well, I miss LSP. Oracle expression mode arrest block operator. Yeah, expression is in enum. Now if it's operator, I don't know if it should be, yeah, it should probably be a reference. Well, actually, yeah, it should probably be a trait. And break's coming. I don't know if I don't think I can skip the set break. Wait, I can snooze it. 1 out of 3. I've been streaming for almost 3 hours. I might be ending soon. By the way, also, I wonder what you think about streaming Satan development. Anyone knows what Satan is? It's a kernel made by Jax, obviously. I mean, not that obvious if you don't know what it is. So yeah. Because I could stream it probably. So yeah, operator. Should probably do a fan operator. You don't know, so go for it. Oh, Nigel, are you here? Because I'm also asking you. Today I left a message in my Discord server. I was like, should I stream today? Nigel answers. All answer is always yes. So I did. I mean, I was asking just to like tease it, honestly. Just like say, okay, I'm gonna stream today, just to inform my Discord. Cause I mean, I am gonna stream. I wanted to stream today, so I did. I still didn't know what to do though. But this, we spent a bit of a stream on pretty fun stuff. Anyway, operator, so I'm not quite sure if this should be a trait. Because dynamic dispatch and stuff. I don't know, because there's, I mean, args, we do need args. When args, self, swag of expression. And we also do args mute. And here we do operator symbol ref. Do we have a symbol ref? Cargo next test run. It's not gonna build. Oh, wait, cargo. I don't have cargo next test. Wow. Come on, shell. By the way, I should probably also figure out why Western doesn't start. Western config set font. Font with fallback. JetBrains Mono. This is the path, I guess. This thing exists. I wonder why it doesn't work. When intensity half. Italic true. Font with fallback. Not a color emoji for some reason. I mean, it should be working. Well, it's all not a color emoji, so I don't know. Wait, to remove the last font, because yeah, that's why. That's the problem. I mean, you can see the glyphs, you can't see them. Wonder what this is. I'm just typing blindly right now. Yeah, I wish it worked. I know why. Close. Oh, wait, is this the close button or? Okay, so we have two buttons, I guess here. Wait, this is the most left one. Here. Still touched. Anyway, cargo install, cargo next test. So I will need that. Symbol ref. I don't know why Rust Analyzer is dead. Let's do cargo clip here. Clippy. I hope it it runs, because I mean, if Rust Analyzer doesn't run, this might not as well. I mean, it seems fine. I'll probably be ending soon. Come on, building. I'm just gonna wait. I mean, I know it's not gonna build because I haven't provided generics for symbol ref. So symbol box, symbol ref. It takes two generic arguments, and yeah, I don't know either. I guess any for now. I mean, T is an operator. Handler is operator handler. And yeah, those are both unsized. Public traits, those are both traits. Okay, see expression mode res. I messed up block. I did not add the arrow here. And yeah, this is also a thing. Operator. operator call, let's say, and let's do operator reference, dynamic operator reference. Now I'm gonna go to expression mode, and here we have operator which references dynamic operator call. Yeah, I'll just do operator call. Oh, that's not how you run. Cargo clippy. This might actually build the Orco crate, not the front end though. Okay, it's not. Then OP FMT. Okay, there's no FMT on operator call because and oh my god, I can't even malloc rs. Can't even open the reference. Oh wait, I do have debug display. Operator call. Here. Clippy. Okay, here. Let's see. Missing docs. Yeah, this builds the Orco crate, not the front-end crate, which is to be expected. See statements block Orco expression block. Okay, it was still building crane lift code, which is interesting. Okay, oh my god, that's a lot of warnings and errors. Okay, that's control flow. Here. Yeah, I did not comment this out. Function definition. Yeah, I'm not quite sure about Orco, to be honest, about its architecture right now. I mean, it is half of a macro assembler. Well, it is target architecture right now. It's half of a macro assembler and half of a regular interface. Okay, so dynamic iterator, unit symbols, return symbols. Wait, what is this? No, I need Orco syllabus here. So we define keywords and stuff. Unit has many symbols, so each symbol is, oh my god, I can't even do this. Symbol rs, mod rs. Okay, so symbols have functions. Function is an RW lock. Why is it an RW lock? Who knows? Many symbols. I wonder why it's an RW lock. Symbols, either map, symbol is Orco. Huh? Oh wait, yeah, that makes sense. Wonder why it's an RW lock. Why it can't be just mutated? I mean, yes. I still don't remember. Let me close that. Here, let me try removing that. Oh, hold on, that's a reference to RW lock. Yeah, that changes everything. How is that a reference to an RW lock to a function? Oh wait, that's Orco symbol. Function here, frontend symbol. Okay, so Fronted has libres. Unit has many symbols. Symbol is in symbol. Front and symbol models. Here, and symbol contains a symbol box. Okay. Okay, yeah, symbol box makes sense. Now, and yeah, it makes sense why the reference is there now. Now, function in the Orco C is well, yeah, function definition, function parameter. Is there function signature? There's no function signature, but there should be function signature in the Orco. You have parameters mu. Bicycle. We're probably gonna be ending soon. Anyway, oh my god, my cursor. It's hard to move with the touchpad. Oh, whatever, trackpad I think it's called. So function parameters, function definition, turn type. Stated. Okay, so this is a body. Statement block. Element block contains expressions. Yeah, it says it is an expression block. Brace many statement. Yeah, sure, parcel recursive. So it is a function definition. So an expression or statement. What the rest, for example, has a Orco, which is an Orco expression. Okay, oh my god, I can't talk properly at this point. Control flow. By the way, if you noticed that I don't have a hat today, I'll hopefully get it back tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna stream tomorrow. Maybe I will. Hopefully I will. I don't know. Also, what is this? Python 3.12 running. What? Oh, it's some shell. Why did I open this? Anyway. So what is this? Oh, it's this. Okay, so yeah. Return expression mute. Okay, that's a trait. Oh my god, that's outdated. Control flow for Orco C, and I should probably remove all the outdated stuff. Oops, that's too far. Orco src here. Symbol, yeah, sure. Expression. So there's block control flow. Yeah, this won't exist. So there's block. This also will not be there. Literal and variables. Okay, good. Yeah, I guess. No. Control flow rs frontend Orco C. Here return as Orco should return an expression which should return an operator. An operator call, which should get an operator which will return a symbol ref. So this should. So we have a return expression semi parcel. How do I parcel skip? Docs.rs parcel. I need to somehow skip value, and I know it's not really easy because parcel will still need to initialize it. Derive macros parse. Parcel attribute. I don't know where to look for parcel docs proper. For proper parcel docs. I mean, there's okay, so recursive cyclic stuff. Dealing with left recursions. Parcel skip. I need something like that. Well, not skip, but I'll need to Sorry, hit the microphone. I'll need to pass a function that will initialize it. Okay, so OP semi. Well, actually, I have a symbol ref. So I guess key return. I could do a symbol ref here to an operator. So an operator normally would contain a keyword. Oh my god, this lack of LSP is just frustrating. Control flow here. LSP restart. Open log open here. Rust analyzer, unknown binary Rust analyzer. Rust up install nightly. Okay, I don't have nightly. Great. I mean, I should have it since I run cargo. For some reason, nightly doesn't have Rust analyzer. I guess we'll reinstall it. So this stream was like a bunch of different stuff. We started with Vue, if you remember, with generating an image, which is not here anymore because overlay crashed, by the way. But yeah, that was a lot of stuff for one stream, and I don't see Rust analyzer here. So yeah, that's one thing. Filter up LD, huh? Toolchain. I also need components. Rust up. Oh well, actually no, it's Rust up component add or something. Component add component. Rust analyzer. Okay, it's here now. Maybe now you're gonna work. LSP restart. LSP restart. Hi, Davninia! Into once I have hair like this. Yeah, that's normally how I tell. That's how I. That's normally how I explain what happened to my hair. So welcome, Davninia. That's just my new haircut, and it's not really new. It's like a month old. I just decided to try that. I guess. I don't know. I might change it. Normally, since on the last stream I had my Santa hat on, my red hat on, but today I don't have it with me. Tomorrow I hopefully will. So yeah. Wow, we got Rust analyzer back. Yeah, I guess. By the way, Davninia, do you know you can fight with plushes? You probably know that goal has been done. But you probably don't know that you can do that now. And plushes can be on fire now. Oh my god, Haskell's burning. Oh my god, Haskell's gonna burn soon. Okay, I'll just let it burn. And you can't put it off because it's mine. You don't have access to it. Qualify symbol box, symbol ref. Has been achieved but didn't follow up the development of it. Well, yeah, I did close the goal, but I'm still probably gonna add a lot of stuff because yeah, that's not much. So now I'm just gonna do a quick tour of it. If you do plushie, and I'm also gonna add another plushie, you can do bank punch. Bank punch will punch. See, now if I have multiple plushies on the screen, it's gonna punch a random one. I don't wanna punch me. So yeah, as you can see, the plushie I created from the Twitch from Twitch chat is the Caden Live one, so that's the one which punches. And now you can do punch. For example, I can punch you. I can punch you specifically. Dev, Nin, yeah, and it's gonna punch you specifically. Now, if you do plushy fire with the bank fire at the end, if you have the fire charges, because you need to pay for them. If you look at the new redeems, probably you can see it. And LLVM Dragon is actually a pretty good one. You can do fire and fire, and it's gonna throw fire at you, and you're gonna burn to death. But you can stop that if you do bank put underscore off, and in your case it's gonna be Dev Ninja. But I can't do that because this is not my plush and we've already burned. Yeah, fire's little. So once you notice a plushie is on fire, you need to quickly react, and you need to type this command, and you need to type the name of a plushie as well. It is necessary. Custom Twitch extension, there is already heat, which by the way I changed the behavior of it a little bit. So now I don't know if I can control with heat. I think heat doesn't work for me for some reason as a streamer, but I can open Twitch chat here. It's cooler. So yeah, I did change the way heat behaves a little bit. You now click to throw a plushie towards something. But yeah, I mean, I don't have to solve it. Show it. But yeah, right now everything is in commands. You do put off, you do punch, you do other stuff. And yeah, also I have the ability to throw fire charges at anything I want, using just a left click. Also I can bounce them if I do it properly, and I can push them. Oh my god, they disappear pretty quickly. Also, if I burn the live button, the live brick, the stream's gonna end. Just kidding. That's a thing. Wow, how did it do that? So yeah, that fire effect took me quite a while. Well, actually not that much. So yeah, THT type H. So I need a dynamic operator here. Abuse expression operators. So I don't have to type expression, that's gonna be too long. Not satisfied, symbol not satisfied, straight, clone is not satisfied, the trait clone is not implemented for this, binary operator equals can't be applied to this, interesting. Oh wait, that's traits, of course, to remove that. By the way, how is Ying doing? Ying, I'm messing them always. Cargo Clippy. Well, actually I should just do cargo build, I guess, so it doesn't show much stuff. CRC32 fast. Yang compiler. Wait, Yang currently doing AUC in order to get more familiar with Dart. Like when you use tuples and like when to use tuples and sets and such. Okay, yeah. I did read the Advent of Code first day today. Just read it. I mean, there is a story, but Oh my god, I have Olympiads, that's enough for me. And those tasks are just too similar. So I'm not quite sure if I want that. If I want to do that. See, symbol models here. Symbol books. So this requires function. Kinda cool. I mean, it is, but still, those problems. I have solved enough of similar problems, and yeah, the day one seems simple, like easy, but it doesn't seem like fun to me. It doesn't seem that fun to me. So yeah, clone is not here anymore. Partial Q and Q or ick. Somebody says. So yeah, why is this not using the symbol box? Should have been accessible. It's not, huh? Interesting. Oh, that's probably because symbol. Did you always code the pathfinding algorithm? I mean, I did pathfind. I have coded a lot of pathfinding algorithms, and actually, like 5 days ago, I was on a competition where I was launching well, I was competing with my new pathfinding robot, a micro mouse, well, with a new micro mouse. You can Google what micro mouse is. It's a maze solving competition. That's when I learned a lot of algos. Neither.
This tiny robot mouse
I'm not optimizing performance that much.
can finish this maze in just 6 seconds.
That's way above level. This is in Belarus.
Every year, a
But yeah, we do something similar with a maze like twice as small, and speed is like 100 times slower. We've got 5 minutes, and my record on the last competition was 26, I think, seconds. And yeah, we used flat fill. I mean, I used flat fill. And yeah, I could code as A star, which would be faster because it doesn't loop through all cells in the maze. But I don't care. I can just code flat fill, which does follow through all cells in the maze, but it returns me the shortest path to the target, even if the maze is not fully complete, which is what I'm using to explore it first time. And I'm not. I actually don't know if A star. I mean, yeah, you can probably do A star with fully complete mazes. I'm just not generating paths, you know. I'm not generating paths when I'm doing flat fill. I'm flat filling the distances, and then I'm just picking the best direction. And then I have also path generation, which also uses flat fill, because I mean, I have this function. Why not use it? Why not reuse it? Then I generate the path for the shortest path to run to the target when I actually explore the maze. Anyway, iterator once variable declaration. Can remove that. It's kinda how well, no, A star uses estimates. What are those called? Oh my god, I forgot. And yeah, I watched a video about A star a lot of times, but I still can't really. I mean, I kinda get how it works, but still, those values, I just don't have it memorized. It uses heuristic, yeah, here. So A star uses heuristic to. Yeah, heuristic. A star uses heuristic to go towards cells that are more likely. Well, yeah, this is kind of how A star works. Just like how I do flat fill, how I do the competition. We initially have a maze. I don't know where to show it. I don't have any paint. Just imagine you have a maze, not a maze, not a Minecraft maze. So yeah, and I say this maze contains outer walls and nothing else. And my mouse is like at this corner. I need to go to the center. And I say flat fill. Fill means the whole maze with distances. So, what Python? Why Python? No. I'm not doing that. I'm not visualizing it. So I'd say, this is the finish cell. Distance to it is 0. Distance to finish from it is 0. Then for each neighboring it's 1 and etc. how float fill works. Then once I fill the whole maze with distances, and I don't really have to fill the whole maze with distances, but I am filling the whole maze with distances, I go to my mouse, to the square where my micro mouse robot is, and I say, okay, which cell that I can go to is the closest to the finish. I go there. And when I go there, I see, okay, here's a wall. I place this wall on my imaginary map, and I recompute the distances. So now, okay, now this path is wrong, but I don't care. I'm here, and my distances brought me here. I'm just going wherever else. And then when I actually get to finish, for competitions in Belarus, it's allowed to just take the mouse and do some configuration with it, like press some buttons. So I take the mouse, I say, okay, you explored this part of the maze. If it's enough, I enable the fast mode, which flood fills the maze again with the map already explored. So I follow the path once, I know some walls in the maze, and so I generate. I flood fill the maze, I get the distances, and I compute the shortest path and actually store the whole path. Then I optimize it, and by that I mean I add smooth turns and diagonals, and I don't have neither of them right now, but I will add them soon. And then I just follow it without even looking at walls, except for alignment. Anyway. Yeah. Block as orc. Actually, I should be able to do this. Block. Danny, are you interested in seeing kernel development on Twitch? How far did I get? It's hard to say because I keep rewriting it from scratch or not from scratch constantly. I think the first that we've got is actually the bang orco command, which is not available anymore because we've switched to that, and it's not orco anymore because you'll see the unknown identifier list. That's a different language because nobody knows orco. And I put a random language. You can find it here. This is what language you write in now. It might be interesting. So this code produces an image, and now I can put it here. I can do bang this. Then I do IMS to show the image. I paste the code, and here it is. See. So that's now how you program in Orco. Well, not in Orco, I mean with the bang stuff. But the first that we got with Orco was actually getting functions, external functions, and that's how far. And that's compiled using crane lift. But then I okay, restart. We have a design flow, we redo this whole thing. We got to demo, what's sample, so then I was after the restart I was we don't need this, really need a language for Orco IR, because we don't have it as an IR anymore, we have it as an interface, as a selection of traits. So I was let's just parse C, and we had functions, we didn't have functions calls. We did have returns, and we did have variables. Design. You're on the designing stage, I guess. On the design stage, the biggest blocker is syntax. Need to define it. For beginners and intermediate programs. Yeah. You need both else. And yeah, combining. Some things might not be combinable. You can't just do everything with one thing. But I mean, you can try. And then you can get it. Cargo build. I think I will actually be ending here. I've been streaming for 3.5 hours, it's just a bit late now. I still need to eat and do other stuff. So yeah, hopefully a stream tomorrow, I'm not sure, honestly. Maybe there will be a stream, maybe there won't be a stream tomorrow. Immutability as a core feature, but this goes against C interoperability. Why? You mean like in Haskell, for example, I think you can't mutate a variable. Then yeah, it does. It is a problem. So I guess we're gonna be ending now. Yeah, like if you mutate a field of a struct. I mean, I guess if C mutates it, it's different. Would expect the change to be happen on heap. I mean, C, you can't really use C libraries without having mutation. So yeah, makes sense. Anyway, any raid suggestions? Wanna guide the raid? I don't know, compiler, classic tag. I don't think. Wait, I don't even have the compiler tag right now. Quick go devs and Fortran to Wasm compiler. That's hard to combine, yeah, true. See, we don't have compiler development. That's Mario, I think. That's some. I think that's either Mario. I think it's Mario Maker. Take a look at the camel other links to get the idea of how they solved it. Does Haskell have C interop? I mean, Haskell has CFFI. I guess they just don't care. I guess they just don't mutate structs and that's it. Like, I guess you just don't do mutation and let C mutate this instead. Mutate stuff instead. Who do we raid, guys? I don't know, the stream combined so many things. Oh my god, I'm still not used to the new software and game development banner. And I hit the microphone again and okay, sorry for a little bit of ASMR. I needed to put it back. Okay, anyway, anyone may be doing Rust. SQLite. Most error codes. Like, I mean, you let C mutate stuff, but you don't let mutating stuff in your language. Because I mean, you can't have C without you can't have interop with C without having without allowing C mutate stuff. I'm not sure if you can really get proper C interop. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can get proper C interoperability without mutation in your language, but I mean, you could try. Trial and error it is. Still any suggestion? What's that? So let's say ASMR. programming. But this looks like Pac-Man in whatever language. Maybe there's, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's no OS dev people. Yeah, that's even rarer than the compiler dev. Be demands, bilingual. So yeah, I don't know. Working on Christmas render, but adult content. Give the focus launch. Something foreign streamers. So yeah, I don't know. I guess no suggestions, and I can't really think of a tag to look to filter with. So I guess we're just not gonna raid today. I mean, that's fine. I can just end the stream without raid. Just kind of, I'm just kind of not used to that because I raid every single stream. Maybe I need Java dev. You're gonna hate me if I raided Java dev, are you? Aren't you? I'll go trading, stream timers. Okay, that's somebody. Java Spring English. Maybe raid them. Raiding random people is better than raiding no one, right? Light seem just like I like. Well, I don't know. We'll just end. So yeah, I guess thank you for joining. Bye.